In this video, I want to show you a very quick way of making a timeline in PowerPoint. There are lots of other ways of doing it, but this is probably the quickest way. Let's take a look. Okay, so I'm in PowerPoint. If I wanted to, I could do a timeline from scratch using some of the shapes up here and text boxes. That's all fine if you want to do that. There's a quicker way of doing it. I've got my list ready to go, so I've got a bullet pointed list, and each line on the list will become one item on the timeline. I've got my dates and my things that are happening on my timeline. I'm going to highlight that list there. I'm going to go up to convert to SmartArt on the top here, and then I'm going to choose basic timeline from there. When you click on that, it'll immediately turn your list into the timeline. You can then click in each of the boxes here to edit if you want to. If you want to play around with the colours, then you can do. You can click on the arrow here and we can change the colours, and you've got different themes, different accents and so on, so you can change the colours and recolour it in that way. If you want to modify your timeline, you can do. I'm going to want to add an extra date to mine now. I'm going to click on here, click on this last circle here, go up to SmartArt Design at the top here, and where it says add shape, I can add shape after or add shape before. I want to add shape after, and I'm going to type in here so if you want to add extra shapes, click on the point of the timeline which you want to add extra shapes, go up to SmartArt Design, and over here add shape before or after, and you can stick extra bits into that timeline if you want to. Also, don't forget, if you want some fancy timelines, then websites such as Canva will do that for you as well. If you're on Canva, you can just do a search for timeline up here. That'll give you a whole load of timeline templates which you can use, which maybe look a little bit better for some of the things you might want to do. There's some quite cool designs if you want them. Creating timelines in PowerPoint is nice and easy. Just got to remember to use those SmartArt shapes and it'll do it all for you. Hope you found that video useful. I'll be back with some more videos real soon. Thanks for your time. Cheers. Goodbye.